Hey, so you're looking to do our 5-year ceramic coating package. We're going to include a hand wash, a chemical decontamination to really clean the pores of the paint system out of the metals, the minerals, and bugs, and pollen, and tree sap, and tar, and all these things that get into your paint system. We're also going to do a nice thorough clay bar, so that way we have a nice smooth surface, not just clean pores. Once we've done that, we're going to do a machine polishing paint correction step. That way we know we have an even clear coat. We've got some swirlies and maybe factory defects out of there. But if it's a semi-used car or a brand new car or a classic car, we want to make sure and polish this paint so that it is clean. But we also want to make sure that we do it so that we got any old waxes, sealants, or maybe ceramic coatings off that paint so that our coating will bond properly and not wonder why. Once we've done all that, this ceramic coating is going to go on your paint and your plastics. If you'd like to learn about the glass, the wheels, the barrels, and the calipers, maybe your interior coating, ask us and we can help you get a bundled package together. And we can't wait to do this 5-year ceramic coating.